Dog. Pidcock. Herman's through. Ellie Iserbit, he wants a piece of that. He wants a piece of the champ. He wants a piece of the champ.
Hello, I'm Mobilant. Today, I'd like to talk about making bicycle trips more enjoyable, fun, and, above all, safe. However, sometimes during bicycle journeys, there are instances where we cannot ignore the presence of dogs. During domestic bicycle trips, occasionally while passing through rural paths, you might hear the barking of dogs, whether they are tied up or roaming freely. When going on international bicycle trips, dogs can sometimes become a threatening presence. Rather than getting bitten by a dog, the distraction caused by dogs can lead to secondary accidents, and there have been significant incidents, including a major accident where 4 people were injured during a race after colliding with a dog. These situations often occur primarily in rural neighborhoods. Even if a dog seems friendly with people, it's crucial to remember that it's not necessarily safe, and they might unexpectedly become aggressive if someone intrudes into their territory. Whether it's a companion dog that follows its owner or a faithful friend regardless of size, dogs can be loyal only to their owners, making the situation challenging. So, how can you avoid or escape a dog's attack or pursuit during a bicycle trip? The most proactive method is to use dog-specific pepper spray. In the United States, these products are typically sold for around $15. The pepper component is effective in temporarily disabling a dog's aggression, since it might be challenging to find such products in Korea. It's advisable to purchase them in the United States or Europe or obtain dog deterrents at your departure location before your trip. The second method involves using your own voice and body, pretending to be the owner. It's essential to employ a strong tone and gestures as if you were the owner. Depending on the language, you can shout a firm no or use a similar expression commonly used in that country.
No.
For example, no. Please note that this method may not be effective with stray dogs, so exercise caution. Additionally, if there are trees or vehicles nearby, consider climbing to higher ground. Avoiding the dog from an elevated position can provide a temporary refuge until help arrives. As a last resort, especially for cyclists in flat terrains where speed is possible, quickly escaping may be the best strategy for self-defense during such situations. Be cautious not to get your ankles bitten and pedal at an extremely fast rotation speed as if your life depends on it. It's crucial to quickly exit the dog's territory to increase your chances of survival. If the dog is fiercely attacking, use your bicycle to create distance and avoid immediate harm. Lastly, while dogs are unparalleled friends to their owners, they can display aggressive behavior towards strangers. Therefore, in rural or sparsely populated areas during bicycle trips, always remain vigilant about dogs. Refer to the methods mentioned earlier for safety during your travels. Subscribing and clicking the like button greatly support the video production. I've been Dr. Road from Mobilant. Thank you for watching.